Good morning, wonderful IB students. This is just a reminder, or I guess a tutorial on how our class works on Schoology. One thing that you'll notice different is at the very top of the page, and you can see it up here, on days that we're meeting, on day 2, you'll find a message in the date. And that message will be a screencast video from me. It just gives a general overview of everything that we're doing. Beyond that, everything is the same. We work within the current unit. So right now we're on to World War I. Inside the unit, you'll find the unit class log for try 3. That'll be the place to start. When you click on it, you'll find under the date the things that you'll need to accomplish. So there are 3 things listed here for March 31st, and then a list of assignments below. So that is the same as it's been all year. Below that, structure is the same, where it's broken down between resources, and those resources there are quite a few. This includes maps and notes at the top, and learning targets, the Great War series, videos, and a number of other things that will be helpful. If you've lost your book, you'll find the text of it in here. Hopefully you haven't done that. So those are all the resources. Below resources are the assignments. Anything that you'll do in the form of assignments, you'll find in here. You'll see that there are a lot of things that I have that you can't see, but the things that are significant or important to the first couple days here, the March 31st Due Now assignment you see there, and then the Great War video series notes for episodes 6 through 8 you'll also see there. Below assignments are the assessments, and this is where we'll be taking quizzes. You can see all of those there. They're not available to you. And then eventually the World War I exam. So that's how the class works. If you haven't gotten good at using the resources that are available, this is a wonderful opportunity.